What's up, fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day, and sorry for the late video. I was super busy today, starting with natural gas, gold, silver, crude oil. And right here, what do we have? So exactly same as yesterday. Nothing has been changed much, and as you can see, the price is still pushing lower. Not a valid bearish engulfer, but like I mentioned yesterday, aggressive entry has been triggered already with the 50% retracement order has been triggered, and we are looking at 1.618 retracement for the target. So I'm still expecting a price to head lower, and I won't get alarmed if we get another push up to 50 EMA and bearish engulfer. If we have that, we are still good to go short and take a valid pullback entry. I've already mentioned these zones yesterday in my video. Feel free to check that out and mark the zone above and zone below to take your counter trend trade, from where we're going to look for a buy trade with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry confirmation. So wait and see. Still expecting a price to push lower, still bearish, and 1.618 retracement is the targets I'm expecting from natural gas. I'll be looking at a pullback to 50 EMA. In that case, we'll have a good pullback, and if we have a bearish engulfer, in that case we are good to go short. Otherwise, if this candle turns to be a valid bearish engulfer, must cover the previous candle with the whole body. If we have that, we are good to go short. In that case, I'll go 1 ATR from a target, and then you can manage it till this recent low or till this support area right here. Nice one. As you can see, the price pulled back up, nicely formed a bearish engulfing candle. As mentioned in my yesterday's video, if you have a bearish engulfer, we have a valid buy signal, and targets would be 1 to 2 ATR. And as you can see, the target of 1.5 ATR has been hit. I'm expecting a price to push lower, at least to hit 2 ATR for the targets. I'm still expecting a price to push lower. Now for the next pullback entry, I'm expecting a price to break below this low and then a pullback followed by bearish engulfing pattern. Exactly something like this. That was a valid bearish trade after a nice pullback. All I'm expecting a price to head lower, hit this level below, from where I'm going to look for a valid bullish engulfer, so double bottom entry confirmation. If we get a pullback again above 50 EMA and price forms a bearish engulfer, in that case I'm still going to go short from here. So level above and level below has been mentioned already in my yesterday's video. Have these zones ready on the charts to look for the possible trades. Exactly same on Owanda. Price is pushing lower, expecting a price to head lower, and as you can see, after 50% of retracement, price did push down more than 1 ATR, which is 9 points. That is more than 2 ATRs. I'm still expecting a price to head lower and hit 1.618 retracement in the long run, but smaller target has been hit for the next pullback entry. All I want to see, a break below this low, then a pullback, and then bearish engulfer. In that case, we have a valid pullback entry, and I'm going to go short till we are in this zone to take my next buy trade with a condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry confirmation. Wait and see how it goes. We can still get a possible push up, and price might form a double top pattern here, and price can still push lower. So have these zones ready on the chart that was mentioned yesterday in my videos, and take your trade according to the condition I've just mentioned. Next up, we have gold, and nicely pushed up after break of this pattern. And let me show you what I've said in my last video. So we also have this flag pattern or symmetrical triangle right here on gold. So once we are completely broken above, not wicks but with the body, in that case we'll have an aggressive entry. And aggressive entries are risky. Make sure you follow your proper risk management. Stop loss can be below the pattern. Take profit 1-to-1 initially, then you can manage it till the top or till this resistance level. Awesome. So as you can see, with the stop loss below this pattern, nicely hitting $17 take profit. And that is what we call taking a trade and entering a trade with conditions only. So I'm still looking at this level from a possible double top pattern as mentioned yesterday. If you have a price to hit this rejection box without a candle to close above this high, and if you have a wick gone up, that is totally fine. But if you have a bearish engulfers or 382 candle in this rejection box, in that case we'll have a valid buy signal. I'll keep a stop loss above, take profit. We can go 1-to-1 initially and then manage it accordingly. Otherwise, if you are broken above with a body, in that case I'll start to look from a pullback entry bullish only. For now, I'm just looking for the price to form double top. If you have that, we are good to go short. A break above this high, I'm going to look for the long trades only. For now, I'm not looking for any buy trades, as buy entry has been triggered, take profit has been hit. I'm going to stay back and look for the next condition which I've just mentioned. Here on silver, we are broken above, and again stop loss can be below, take profit can be 1-to-1 initially. That could be a possible retest, and we can still get a possible less aggressive way to enter, which is bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA. If we have that, that is a less aggressive entry, that is an aggressive entry. So if you are not an aggressive trader, wait for the price to form bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. In that case, we are good to go long using 1 ATR for the targets. Otherwise, less aggressive entry, 1-to-1, stop loss can be below the EMA, take profit can be 1-to-1, and that could be a possible retest of this triangle pattern with a bullish engulfer. Price will likely push up from here. So I'm still looking at the level above, which is right up there, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and mark these zones on your charts. So still bullish. I'm still expecting a price to head higher and hit a level above right here. Next up, we have crude oil. So price still below 50 and 20 EMA, and I'm still looking at this level below which is 78.83. That goes to 80.64 to take my possible buy trades. Once the price is inside the zone, I'll look for the possible bullish engulfers or double bottom entry confirmation. So let's see how it goes. If we are broken above, let's say we have no condition here and price just break above 50 EMA without forming any condition, in that case we'll start to look for the buy trades only. So as long as we're below 50 EMA, we are just looking for bearish trades, not bullish trades. I'm also looking at a possible formation of head and shoulder pattern, which is right here. And if the price forms a bearish engulfer here, that is also a likely sell signal and price will likely fall here. That is an aggressive way to enter head and shoulder pattern. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my possible trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.